A late-night nature squall turned horrific for a man in the Sepahijala district of Tripura as he was shot at by border security force personnel. The incident took place at around 3 a.m. on Friday when the victim, identified as 25-year-old Masuk Mia, went to answer nature's call near his relative's house in Rahimpur village. He was shot at by BSF personnel posted along India's border with Bangladesh, who mistook the man for a smuggler. Mia collapsed immediately and was rushed to the Baksanagar hospital in a critical state. He was eventually referred to the GB Pant hospital in Tripura's capital for treatment.
কি কারণে ওনাদের মানে গুলি করার কারণটা কি?
কারণ এটা বিএসএফ ভাবছে ও ব্যবসা করে তাই
উনি কি মানে বর্ডারে গেছিল?
বর্ডারে আত্মীয় আছে রে।
কোন বর্ডারে?
রহিমপুর।
রহিমপুর। কয়টা গুলি করছে?
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.